Here's a great deal on a 2006 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, an outside temperature display, power front seats, rain-sensing wipers, and leather upholstery. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Multiple drivers will appreciate the memory system, keeping track of unique seating, steering wheel, and audio settings and positions, as well as other features. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.